Hi, everyone, and welcome to Quizzer Planet. Be sure to subscribe to get more great games and quizzes. Would you rather have a pet lion or have a pet snake? Would you rather swim with dolphins or swim with sharks? Would you rather talk to dogs or talk to birds? Would you rather live like a tiger or live like an owl? Would you rather be able to fly like a bird or be able to swim like a whale? Would you rather have a cat as a pet or have a rabbit as a pet? Would you rather ride an elephant or ride a camel? Would you rather own a talking parrot or own a singing bird? Would you rather have a pet tiger or have a pet crocodile? Would you rather be a lion for a day or be a zebra for a day? Would you rather have a pet panda or have a pet koala? Would you rather be best friends with a dolphin or be best friends with a wolf? Would you rather own a flock of sheep or own a herd of goats? Would you rather always have a dog's loyalty or always have a cat's independence? Would you rather be as strong as an elephant or be as fast as a cheetah? Would you rather have wings like a bat or have wings like a butterfly? Would you rather get a free pet penguin or get a free pet fox? Would you rather be able to communicate with elephants or be able to communicate with whales? Would you rather own a pet iguana or own a pet tortoise? Would you rather swim with sea turtles or swim with jellyfish? Would you rather always see a lion up close or always see a bear up close? Would you rather live in a zoo as a visitor or live in a jungle as a visitor? Would you rather ride a horse every day or ride a camel every day? Would you rather have a pet rabbit or have a pet hamster? Would you rather be a fish for a day or be a bird for a day? Thanks for playing. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Click on one of these videos for your next challenge.